First is first class ticket or travel senior. Choosing the right ticket plan is crucial for elderly passengers who are over 65, as it provides them with discounts, special offers, and access to first class seating. Second is skilled workers. Skilled workers in various trades are crucial both in Canada and globally, as employers prefer active workers and pay them more than the average wage, especially in the construction industry. Or Canada needs skilled workers, such as plumbers and electricians, as employers prefer more active individuals. Additionally, these jobs do not require an office, and their average wages are high. Third SST is washing fruits. Washing fruits and vegetables, particularly unpackaged ones, with cold water helps remove bacteria. Following packaging instructions and using a small brush when necessary ensures they are safe to consume. Or for washing fruits and vegetables, use cold water and a kitchen brush, avoiding soap. For packaged items, follow the instructions or labels, as they may already be pre-washed. Fourth is the new academic year. To prepare children for the new academic year, write down their teachers' names and class numbers. Also, pack their lunch and give them money for any purchases they might need. Or having parent-teacher meetings is crucial for preparing kids for the new academic year, as it helps them learn their teacher's name, class number, and other important details. 5. Interview session. The discussion focused on effective communication of thoughts and experiences during interviews, emphasizing that the presentation is more critical than the content itself. Chair. Park cleanup. The park cleanup is divided into 3 tasks: picking up trash, removing harmful plants, and painting or repainting chairs and tables, with each task led by a different leader. 7. Rail pass. Rail pass cards are not valid for all networks, only a few. However, it always offers discounts, and often, travel is free, making it a valuable option for certain routes. You can also write it another way like, while you have a rail pass, it is very important to know that you cannot use it for all networks, but only for a few. However, it sometimes offers discounts. Art. Phone interview. During a phone interview, the energy and tone of the voice are important and contribute to a positive impression. Therefore, stay calm and avoid rushing responses. Or in a phone interview, the interviewer cannot see facial expressions, so stay confident and avoid rushing answers. Additionally, take short pauses and avoid speaking like a robot. No. Job interview. During a job interview, sharing what one can bring to the company and highlighting advantages are crucial, while effectively delivering thoughts and stories is the most important aspect. Thus, orientation sessions, essential for presenting company rules and conditions to new employees. They can be effective if well organized, despite potentially being boring or overwhelming. These sessions train new employees but can be tedious due to the amount of information. However, well-designed and organized sessions can be effective. That's it for Summarize Spoken Text Part 2. I hope these tips help you practice better and score higher in your private core exam. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Private Core Hub for more step-by-step guidance. And let me know in the comments what other private topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.